Annual report, a document and combination of documents prepared typically on an annual basis by management or those charged with governance in accordance with the laws and regulation or customs and custom. The purpose for which is to provide owners and similar stakeholders with the information on the entity's operation and entity's financial result and financial position, set out the financial statements. An annual report contains and accompanies the financial statements and the auditor's report thereon. So, audit annual report contains or accomplishes the financial statement, and the auditor report thereon usually includes information about the entity's development, its future outlook, risk and uncertainties, statement by the entity's governing bodies, and report covering governance measures. So, the annual report is something that is a combination of three things. First thing is balance sheets. The whole year, what happens? Balance sheet, profit and loss accounts, notes to accounts that will be combined. Cash flow statements also will be included. Before this balance sheet, they will have an auditor report. This audit report states this auditor has done the audit for this year, and we are giving this opinion. Opinion will be given. Then paragraphs will be running on what is the auditor's responsibility, what is the management responsibility, and who should do what. Then after it comes to the opinion paragraph, this is opinion we derive. Then after we'll give other paragraphs like modification of opinion. What is the para? If there is some emphasis of matter, something is happening in the company, I want to tell you this is the emphasis I want to say. Other matter paragraph, this is happening, this is happening. So you should know this is our thing happening on, this is the development they are doing. These are the things auditor while going through the audit finds out and reported in his audit report. So this is the contention. Other thing, the annual report not only contains these two, they have another report. That report states that they will explain in detail what has happened from the previous year. So this year we started this company. This is going on. We have invested this area. This is the annual growth. They will explain each and every notes how this growth happens, how we are targeting the market, how we have accomplished the targets, what is the AGM meeting, what we said we have. It's like in political party, like they will say to the shareholders, they have achieved this. This is our goals. We have given this much funds to this company. Example, dividend is specially declared and we have a viable opportunity. What are our new business plans we have invested, and how much revenue what we expect, and what is the global market, what is the current government policies. These all will be discussed, and how we are coping with that. Everything will be discussed in this annual report.